What's up, family? My name is Trail, and today we have 7 states that are sending out their $391 summer P-EBT benefits, in which 2 states sent them out last week and 2 are sending them out this week. We also have new states being approved for the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of November. I also want to share with you the remaining states for October in this video as well. And last but not least, we have 1 state that is offering free $300 Walmart gift cards to its residents, and you can apply for one of those right now. And we have another state offering free internet and cell phone service to low-income residents. Find out if you qualify for these benefits. But before we get started, guys, hey, you already know what to do. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, as well as hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Okay guys, let's start this video off with announcing the 7 states that are expected to send out $391 summer P-EBT benefits this month. The first state is Arizona, California, Connecticut, Florida, Kansas, New York, and Texas. And notice this, guys, the states that are highlighted in yellow are the states that sent these benefit payments out last week. And the ones highlighted in blue are sending those payments out this week. So be on the lookout for these payments to be distributed on your EBT cards. Now moving on, let's go over the remaining states for the October emergency allotments. We still have a few more states that need to distribute them, and here they are. California, November the 26th, Hawaii, November the 14th, Kansas, November the 21st through the 30th, Massachusetts, November the 2nd, Minnesota, November the 8th through the 30th, New Hampshire, November the 18th, Nevada, November the 12th, Oregon, November the 1st, Vermont, November the 14th, and West Virginia is going to have a final run on November the 9th. And like I said, those are the remaining payouts from the October allotments, which distribute a month behind. Now let's go ahead and move on to the new November emergency allotments. We now have 31 states that have been approved, and here they are. Alabama, November the 30th, California, December the 17th, Colorado, November the 5th through the 11th, Connecticut, November the 16th, Delaware, November the 22nd, DC approved on the regular issuance date, Hawaii, December the 12th, Illinois, November the 21st through the 29th, Kansas, December the 21st through the 30th, Louisiana, November the 5th, the 12th, the 19th, Maine, November the 11th, Maryland, November the 4th through the 23rd, Michigan, November the 12th through the 21st, New Hampshire, November the 3rd and on the 18th, New Jersey, November the 1st through the 5th, New Mexico, November the 1st through the 30th, New York, November the 14th through the 28th, North Carolina, November the 22nd through December the 1st, Ohio, November the 21st, Oklahoma, November the 10th through the 15th, Oregon, November the 10th and the 29th and on December the 1st, Pennsylvania, November the 16th through the 30th, Rhode Island, November the 3rd, South Carolina, November the 1st through the 19th, Texas, November the 3rd through the 10th, Utah, November the 26th, Vermont, December the 14th, Virginia, November the 16th, Washington, November the 2nd through the 20th, West Virginia, November the 2nd, and a final run on December the 14th, and for Wisconsin, November the 19th. And those are the 31 states we have for the month of November. And then here are the states that we are still waiting for their approvals for them to happen. For Guam, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Nevada, and the Virgin Islands. So again, those are the remaining states that we have for the month of October and for the month of November. We should receive the remaining states for November, their approval sometime early next week. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on any future updates. Now, before we go any further, I want to remind you guys about getting the Amazon Prime membership for free for 30 days. It's almost Black Friday, guys, and the Christmas season is around the corner, and it is a perfect way to get all of your shopping done with free shipping. You can also enjoy unlimited free movies, TV shows, music streaming, books and magazines, or if you already have the membership, make sure that you are getting the discounted rate, because it is true, guys. If you receive any government assistance such as EBT, WIC program, SNAP, TANF, or anything like that, you are eligible to get the discounted rate for the Amazon Prime membership for just $6.99 per month, which is half of the normal cost. cost. But anyways, guys, if you are interested, all of those links will be down below. Hey guys, we have some good information right here because we just heard from New York Governor Kathy Hochul as well as 20 other state governors that are now extending their emergency SNAP allotments through November of 2022. Yes, guys, it is true that Governor Kathy Hochul has announced this on October the 21st that the state will extend the emergency allotments of the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or better known as the SNAP program, which includes the SNAP benefits, which is also known as the food stamp benefits. But anyways, guys, the other particular states that are participating in extending this are these particular states right here. And yes, this is as of October the 26th, so these could change because it is November, but those states are Alabama, California, Colorado, District of Columbia, DC, Hawaii, Illinois, Kansas, Louisiana, Maryland, Michigan, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, North Carolina, Oklahoma, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Utah, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. And yes, SNAP benefits can be used to purchase the following food items: fruits and vegetables, meat, poultry, and fish, dairy products, breads and cereals, snack foods, and non-alcoholic beverages, as well as seeds and plants that produce food for the household to eat. So again, guys, that is some good information in regards to this, and hopefully we will receive the remaining states that are going to be extending the emergency SNAP allotments through December of this year, guys. So hopefully we can get that information very, very soon. Moving on, guys. Hey, we have some information in regards to the state of Georgia in regards to WIC benefits, because now they are going digital. Yes, guys, they are now issuing these particular WIC loadable credit cards or debit cards that they are going to be able to load your benefits directly on these particular cards. Now, if you don't know that, the WIC program stands for Women, Infants, and Children. And guys, this is for Fulton County, Georgia. The Fulton County Board of Health and Georgia Department of Public Health just rolled out what they hope will make the women, infants, and children WIC benefits more easily accessible. In a new electronic system, shoppers will be able to swipe a loadable e-WIC card at the grocery store and ditch those paper vouchers after October the 23rd. They said it's like a debit card, these particular WIC e-cards, and yes, the new cards which will be distributed at the recipient's next appointment can be used at all WIC approved locations to purchase any food on the approved list. So again, thousands of income eligible families throughout the state use WIC benefits and will be affected by this particular change. DeKalb County, I'm sure I'm saying that word wrong, but they also announced that they would begin issuing the new e-WIC cards on October the 11th. Now, if you are interested and you live in the state of Georgia, hey, you can find out more information on the e-WIC cards when they're going to be distributed to you. You can also call the phone number 404-612-3942, or you can also visit the official website of fultoncounty.gov. But anyways, guys, that is the information on the state of Georgia in regards to the WIC program. Moving on, we do have some good information right here, guys, because everyone is definitely excited to hear this, but this is only affected for the state of Florida. Yes, guys, for the Heart of Florida United Way, you can now apply for some free $300 Walmart e-gift cards. Yes, guys, it says right here that the Heart of United Way said that it received over 1,000 applications within a few hours and has temporarily suspended submissions for processing and to ensure available dollars do not outpace the request. People are encouraged to check back on Wednesday. So yes, guys, in less than 24 hours, you can check back to see if they are opening up this program in the state of Florida. But again, the Heart of Florida United Way is allowing people impacted by Hurricane Ian to apply for a $300 e-gift card to Walmart. And yes, you can apply on this particular website right here, which it says that it is hfuw.org/Hurricane Ian. And as you can see, guys, the website is particularly receiving some type of issues right here, but you definitely want to check back on this website, guys. Live United Way heart of Florida, because if you were infected by the hurricane previously, I believe that was in early October, hey, you could receive $300 gift cards to Walmart, which we know that they pretty much sell everything there. So you definitely, guys, you want to check that out. I will include a link down below in the description so that you can easily access it. And then last but not least, guys, we do have one particular state that is offering free internet as well as cell phone service credits. Yes, guys, Western Massachusetts is going to be offering this for low-income residents that are eligible. Specifically, Springfield, Massachusetts, the company called Comcast, which they provide cell service as well as internet service as well as cable service. Yes, Comcast has announced a $100,000 grant to Western Massachusetts Alliance for Digital Equity, which is Alliance to help close the digital divide. Yes, according to a news release that was sent to 22 News from Comcast, this particular grant is to help create digital equity across Pioneer Valley. The Alliance will help use the grant to launch an affordable connectivity program assistance initiative where 5 different organizations in Hampden, Hampshire, and Franklin counties and will conduct outreach and help with enrollment in the federal government's Affordable Connectivity Program. Now, the ACP provides eligible low-income households with a credit of up to $30 per month towards their internet and their mobile service. The grant announcement is part of the Project UP, which is Comcast's 10-year, $1 billion commitment to help advance digital equity and reach millions of people by providing the skills, opportunities, and the resources that need to increase the digital world. Now, internet connectivity, broadband connectivity is essential for day-to-day living. You can't access jobs, education, civic engagement, basic material resources without being connected to the internet in today's world, said Dr. Frank Robinson, which is the Vice President of Public Health at Bay State Health. Also, guys, this particular information is available to you if you live in Western Massachusetts, specifically Springfield. But again, hey, if you don't know whether or not you live in this respective area, you still want to go ahead and check this out and perhaps apply for these particular benefits, guys, because you never know. It might be offered wherever you particularly live, as well as it might not, guys. So yeah, guys, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and check just to make sure that you are eligible or not eligible for these particular huge benefit programs in these respective states. Because right here, guys, $30 per month towards your internet as well as your mobile service, this could help you out a ton, especially if you don't already have these particular services where you live, guys. And yes, it is available to low-income residents in Massachusetts. So again, guys, hey, I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, hey, that's all I have for you today. But don't forget to take advantage of the offers mentioned down below, such as the Amazon Prime membership for free for 30 days, which is perfect for Black Friday and Christmas shopping. It's around the corner because you definitely want to watch those holiday movies while you are off from work or during the holiday season. But anyways, hey, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.